It's a 2013 Chevrolet Malibu. Smart and alluring, it'll impress you with its safety measures, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. Features include Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, driver and passenger front seat mounted and rear side impact airbags, remote engine start, manual telescoping steering column, aluminum wheels, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and automatic transmission. USA Today comments, "It's hardly a stretch to call the 2013 Malibu the best modern Chevy." There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.